Hi, today I'll show you how to knit simple and comfortable seamless slippers on 2 needles. Cast on 40 stitches and work 3 rows knit. Three rows. Next row, 1 slip, knit, yarn over. 3 knit, 1, 2, 3, yarn over. 3 knit, 1, 2, 3, yarn over. 3 knit, 1, 2, 3, yarn over, and continue 3 knit yarn over. Total 40 stitches, and now work 19 rows. Mark the 8 center stitches and mark the front side. Knit to the second marker. Knit the marker stitch together with the next stitch. Two stitches together. Turn your work. First slip, 6 knit, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and purl 2 stitches together. In the wrong side, work 2 stitches together, purl. Turn the work and continue. 1 slip, 6 knit, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In front side, work 2 stitches together, knit 2 stitches together. Turn your work and continue the pattern. 1 slip, 6 knit, 'in the wrong side, purl 2 stitches together. Sorry, 6, and purl 2 stitches together. And continue the pattern. Continue until 8 stitches remain on the needle. Now pick up 9 stitches from the side. 9 stitches. and needs row. Now pick up 9 stitches from this side. It's a wrong side. Take from the back. Nine stitches. It looks like this. Now need 12 rows. Now 12 rows have been worked. Now on every row knit the last 2 stitches together. Knit row, last 2 stitches, work together. And continue. Knit all row, last 2 stitches, work together. Continue until 12 stitches remain on the needle. Now we'll knit stockinette stitches. On the wrong side, purl all stitches. Purl last 2 stitches together. Pick up 1 stitch from the side edge and the back. At the back. Total 12 stitches. On the right side, knit all stitches. Knit last 2 stitches together. Pick up 1 stitch from the side edge. Pick up 1 stitch from the edge side at the front. Continue this pattern. Knit up to this point. You can add a few more rows if you like. I crochet these ridges